Hello brosis, welcome back to my channel. Untuk konten yang ke-10 kali ini, saya akan mencoba menggambar sketsa wajah dari sang pemeran Joker, Joaquin Phoenix, dengan peralatan pensil di atas kertas. Tanpa berlama-lama lagi, tanpa berbasa-basi lagi, enjoy my video.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. I see the world through eyes covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
Sekian konten dari saya, mohon maaf bila banyak kekurangan. Dan seperti biasa, untuk informasi pemesanan jasa sketsa wajah, kalian bisa hubungi saya cantumkan kontak saya di deskripsi dan juga komen pertama. Bila kalian suka dengan konten ini, silahkan like, share, komen, berikan tanggapan kalian, saran ataupun kritikan, dan support my channel dengan subscribe. Bunyikan loncengnya supaya channel ini berkembang menjadi lebih baik dan kalian mendapatkan notifikasi setiap kali saya mengupload video terbaru. Thanks for watching, tetap berkarya, sebarkan aura positif, and peace. See you.